But this is the best Indomie I have ever made, I swear. Hey guys, it's Wairimu here from wairimueats, and I'm back with another interesting video. And how I know it is interesting, it's because this is a college staple food. I'm sure you've ever tried it out or you know about it. You're going to be making some Indomie, my friends, some Indomie, and you're going to be making 5 different ways. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video and try out the amazing recipes. And you can let me know in the comment section down below how often do you eat Indomie? Is it once per week, daily, thrice a day? You can let me know. For me, when I was in school especially, even daily, we eat that thing, breakfast, lunch, because it's very quick and easy to prepare. So let's just jump right into this video. But before that, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please guys, please consider subscribing, cause it's free of charge and you get to join this amazing family right over here in this place of the internet. And yes, let's just jump right into the video. The first recipe that you're definitely going to start with today is definitely the staple of all staples, the easiest of all. Just boiling it, and then we're going to serve it with some egg. If you don't serve your Indomie with some egg, what are you doing with your life? But anyway, let's do the first one. The first recipe we are going to start with is some instant noodles and an egg. I'm gonna boil 1 cup of water. Now that my water is boiling, I'm gonna add my noodles, the crumbs. I'm going to let it cook. Now that my noodles are ready, I'm going to add my flavorings. Stir. Make sure you don't overcook your noodles. 3 minutes is enough. Because I don't want it to dry out so much, I'm going to place my pan and cook my egg. To my pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. Now that my oil is hot, crack in my egg. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, followed by my black pepper. So guys, this is the first recipe, very simple. We're just going to use the ingredients that are there. The only thing you've added is an egg, and I'm going to try it out, but I'm sure you know how it tastes already. But the best part of cooking is always tasting, so I'm always down to this. Nice. The best part about Indomie, you don't need to add your salt or your nini. They have measured out everything for you in those flavoring packets. So yeah, and I'm going to bite it with an egg. This is so nice. Mm. 100% recommend. Very easy. It took me like 4 or 5 minutes to make this, so I'm sure everyone can try this out. Now let's get to the second one. Very amazing, very simple, and very easy to make at the same time. So yeah, this next recipe involves some sausages, and you'll need some Indomie, some sausages, as you can see here, minced garlic, capsicum, or your red onion, some tomato paste, some chicken cubes which are optional, and your soy sauce. For this one, you're going to start by adding in our onions into the hot oil. When my onions are ready, I'm going to add my garlic. Let it cook till it's fragrant. When I feel that it's fragrant enough, I'm going to add my tomato paste. I'm going to add some water. As my water is boiling, I'm going to add my chicken cube. 2 of them, because why not? Let it come to a simmer and everything ielewane pamoja, and then we're going to add our Indomie. In goes the Indomie, followed by my crumbs. Please don't let it overcook. And after my Indomie is ready, I'm going to add my packet seasoning bumbu sauce. and the chili. You can see how thick that soup is. Like, you can't say it's Indomie. That's what you need to do. And I'm going to add my capsicum and my sausages. And I'm using pre-cooked sausages. Oh my god. This is what you call next level. Oh Jesus. Wonderful. Wonderful. The only thing remaining is just a little bit of soy sauce, because you know it will add a little bit of oomph to the dish. Just a little bit. I'm going to stir it in. Now it smells amazing, and my Indomie is done. Nazima moto nimezimia, and now let's serve. This is how amazing this looks like. Saucy, very rich. What else are you looking for? What else are you guys looking for? Not the taste test. And now guys, to the second dish, and this one looks really nice. Like, oh, can you see that? Very different. Like, you can't say, like, the first one was so calm and nini and very simple, but this one is simple but at the same time the next notch, and it looks nice. So the taste test. Very flavorful. Kind of the crunch from the capsicum. That's what you should be hearing. The sausages are adding so much flavor into the food. It tastes so different from the first one, so I 100% recommend this one. If you want to take your cooking to the next level, there's just a few sausages. Boo. Let's do this. It's very rich in flavor. Everything is well balanced. You can't hear anything is too much than the other. So I 100% recommend that. And now to the next recipe. Wow, nitamu. The next one, we're going to be making a vegetarian type of Indomie. I know you've been seeing a lot of animal products, eggs, sausages. Now we're going to be making a vegetarian one. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this one. So yeah. For this next one, you're going to need your Indomie, 2 tomatoes, 1 red onion, some garlic, capsicums, and carrots. That's followed by your onions. Let them cook till they're soft. Then I'm going to add my garlic. Cook until fragrant. Now that my garlic is fragrant enough, I'm going to add my tomatoes, followed by your salt. Stir. Cover till soft. Now that they are soft enough, I'm going to add my carrots. A little bit of water. I'm using hot water. I'm going to add 1 chicken cube to make it more flavorful. We're going to let that boil until it simmers, and then we're going to add our Indomie. Now that it has come to a boil, you see how amazing it looks. I'm just going to add my Indomie, and I'm going now to add my flavorings, my seasonings from the packaging, the chili, Now that my noodles are ready, you can see they're soft enough. I'm going to add my capsicums for some amazing pop-up color, because we want to make our dish beautiful. Ooh. Looks like how do I say it? A beautiful flower garden. It's very colorful. I'm going to let my capsicum cook for a minute and then serve. That's it. Guys, this third one, so far, this is my favorite. I don't know why I don't make this that often, because who is someone vegan, like ina taste vizuri. No cap, I'm not lying, but this is the best Indomie I have ever made, I swear. You can't say this is nyanya tu na kitungu ina make it taste this good. Oh my god. All this, hii dish yote sasa nimefika, so it tastes this good. Indomie are about to become best friends. This 10 out of 10 flavor iko hapa ndani. Very rich. Make sure you try this recipe. Now let's go to the next one, like as I finish this one because it's good. I'm going to start with a lot of oil. Then I add my meat. After I feel that my meat is ready, I'm going to add my white onion that I just sliced. And I'm going to let them cook until they're soft. Now that my onions are cooked and well caramelized, I'm going to add my sliced carrots and capsicums. Let them cook for about a minute or so. And I'm going to add my broccoli that I have cooked. I'm going to add my seasoning. And a little bit of soy sauce. Last and not least, our pre-cooked Indomie. And our stir fry is ready. Now let's serve. Entire meal, because you have your carbs, you have your proteins, and you have your vegetables inside one dish. Like it's a whole entire meal. So I just served myself a little bit over here because I've been eating the entire day. And this is the last one for today. It's like size 9 and my legs are quite tired. So I'll have to end this video here, but before that I have to give this food a taste test for you guys. And hata kama nimechoka, this part I always have energy. Eating, I have the energy to go on. I'm going to take a little bit of everything. My broccoli, my meat that is very juicy, and my Indomie. Like this is entire meal, I promise you. Didn't know Indomie could taste this nice, but now it's too good. It's too good. Adi, J story, tunafungia hiyo video hapo. That's where we cross the line. That is where we cross the line. So I hope you guys are going to try these recipes. And I said 5. It's because the next one, we're going to be doing some pancake Indomies. And that's a very special recipe. I'm going to post it the day after this one. So please stay tuned for that. And if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you subscribe, your bell button is turned on so that you don't miss out when I post that recipe, because it's going to be bomb. That's why we're going to put a separate video for it. I hope you guys are going to try all this and you tell me which one is your favorite or which one you love to try. And also don't forget to let me know how often you eat your Indomie in a week. Is it once per month or once per week, thrice a day? I don't mind to know. Let me know in the comment section down below. And before I go, hit the subscribe button, and I'll have to end this video here. But don't worry, you will definitely see me in the next one. But for this one, it's a wrap. Peace.